Extra virgin olive oil. This staple is produced by cold pressing olives to extract their natural juices without the use of high heat or chemicals. Originating in the Mediterranean, it is distinct for its vibrant green hue and a flavor profile that ranges from peppery to fruity. It matters because it is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, making it a healthy choice for finishing dishes, though its low smoke point makes it less ideal for high-heat frying. Canola oil. Developed in Canada during the 1970s, this oil is derived from a crossbred version of the rapeseed plant. It is characterized by its light golden color and a very neutral flavor that doesn't interfere with other ingredients. It is popular globally because it contains low levels of saturated fat and has a relatively high smoke point, making it a versatile and affordable choice for baking and general cooking. Coconut oil. Extracted from the meat of mature coconuts, this oil is unique because it remains a solid at room temperature due to its high saturated fat content. It originated in tropical regions and is prized for its distinct, sweet aroma and rich mouthfeel. It has gained massive popularity in the vegan community as a plant-based substitute for butter in baking and is often used in specialized diets for its medium-chain triglycerides. Avocado oil. Unlike most oils that are pressed from seeds, this one is extracted from the fleshy pulp surrounding the avocado pit. It has a mild, slightly nutty taste and is one of the few plant oils capable of withstanding extreme temperatures. It matters to home cooks because it has a smoke point of over 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for safe searing and deep frying while providing heart-healthy fats. Peanut oil. This oil is pressed from harvested peanuts and is a fundamental ingredient in many Asian and Southern American cuisines. It is different because it does not absorb the flavors of the foods cooked in it, which allows multiple ingredients to be fried in the same batch without taste transfer. It is a favorite for deep frying because it stays stable at high temperatures and provides a crisp texture to fried foods. Sesame oil. Derived from sesame seeds, this oil comes in two primary forms: a light version for cooking and a dark, toasted version for flavoring. It has an ancient history in East Asian and Indian cooking, where it is valued for its intense, nutty aroma. Because the toasted variety has a low smoke point and a very strong profile, it is used more as a seasoning or finishing touch rather than a primary cooking medium. Grapeseed oil. This oil is a byproduct of the winemaking industry, extracted from the seeds left over after grapes are pressed for juice. It is nearly tasteless and odorless, which makes it a favorite among professional chefs for creating mayonnaise and salad dressings. It is valued for its clean finish on the palate and its ability to act as a blank canvas for more complex aromatic ingredients. Sunflower oil. Pressed from the seeds of the common sunflower plant, this oil is a major agricultural product in Eastern Europe and North America. It is recognized for its high vitamin E content and its light, non-greasy consistency. It is a popular choice for all-purpose kitchen use because it handles medium to high heat well and provides a neutral base for everything from sautéing to roasting vegetables. Vegetable oil. This is typically a blend of several different refined oils, most commonly soybean, corn, or palm oils. It was designed to be a highly processed, shelf-stable, and inexpensive fat for mass-market consumption. It matters in the kitchen because it is incredibly reliable and predictable, offering a high smoke point and zero flavor, which makes it the standard choice for commercial frying and industrial baking. Corn oil. Extracted from the germ of the corn kernel, this oil became a staple of the American pantry during the 20th century. It is known for its ability to produce a very crunchy exterior on fried foods and its high resistance to oxidation. It is frequently chosen for commercial snack production and heavy-duty frying because it remains stable over long periods of heating. Rice bran oil. This oil is extracted from the hard outer brown layer of rice called the chaff or bran. It is a staple in many Asian countries and has gained international attention for its high concentration of vitamin E and plant sterols. It is distinct because it produces a very light and delicate fried crust, and its high smoke point makes it excellent for high-heat stir-frying and tempura. Ghee. Ghee is a form of highly clarified butter that originated in ancient India. It is made by simmering butter until the water evaporates and the milk solids settle to the bottom, leaving behind a pure, golden fat. It is different from regular butter because it is shelf-stable and has a much higher smoke point. It is popular for its rich, toasted, caramel-like flavor and its suitability for people with lactose sensitivities.